Chigwell was set up as a construction company in 1996, and since then we've specialised in day-to-day maintenance contracts, new build extensions for the public sector.
We started as a small subcontracting business that has now developed into a Tier 1 contractor, and we've managed to do that through organic growth, through our reputation.
We have our own central heating division, we have our own window company that's thriving, and it's just gone from strength to strength.
Because they are a lot smaller, you get to touch the top of the organisation and the bottom of the organisation very easily. So I think their approachability is one of their strengths, and their kind of can-do attitude.
Because we're a small family-run concern, if you like, we have a do-care attitude. We go above and beyond what I believe our competitors do.
We're a flexible company. We work closely with clients rather than just giving them a standard service, and we listen to the way they want to work and their mission statement, and we look to take that ethos on and deliver the service within.
Because everything is done through Chigwell's, a lot of stuff isn't subcontracted out, so you have control of everything that you do for us. Whereas if we went to maybe a slightly larger company, the dynamics are slightly different. So we're getting that personal service from Chigwell's.
The right first time came from a meeting I went to. Our clients were talking about giving a customer experience, and to ensure that if a client had to take a day off work, that the job was complete within that day. And we've used that as a brand going through on all our companies. We just want to give the customer the best experience that we can.
Our customer satisfaction is very high. Our operatives do a fantastic job out there, so our KPIs are very good, always in the mid to high 90s.
Chigwell Group uses an IT system called Impact Response. It's all live data because the guys are using handheld devices, so it's all completely live and transparent.
So the IT system we use helps the client by making sure that the jobs are completed on time, that we are actually hitting our KPIs. It also enables us to keep track on our engineers to make sure that they're all safeguarded at all times.
The Chigwell Group's a 24/7 company, and we deal with all manner of work in hours and out of hours. We have dedicated operatives who work out of hours, and we have a lot of bilingual staff as well, which is a great benefit.
In this industry, you never know how good someone is or isn't until they've actually been out and done the job. So what we do now is if we take a new member of staff on, we put them with another operative for 2 or 3 weeks so we can see their standard of work before they actually go out on their own.
Rules and regulations change constantly, and we're always kept up to speed. We have a health and safety manager who's based here, and we're always being briefed on any new legislation that's here.
We have a long list of accreditations such as CHAS, Safe Contractor, Construction Line. This is ensuring that we are going above and beyond and doing more than what we need to do.
Chigwell take corporate social responsibility really seriously. We always used to do lots of charity events. We're now looking at social enterprise for local authorities, doing the communities that we work in. We do a lot of education and training with people. We bring in a lot of apprentices.
Chigwell Group is unique in the industry. Everyone can deal with the directors. We are fully hands-on. We give a great customer experience. When things go wrong, we put it right immediately, no matter what cost, just to get the customer happy. And we are known for that.